These wonders weren't just built, they were legends in the making. Today, we're counting down the top 10 ancient wonders that continue to amaze the world. Let's get started. Number 10. Moai Statues. On the remote Pacific island of Rapa Nui, the Moai statues rise as mysterious and powerful reminders of an ancient civilization. Carved by the Rapa Nui people between the 13th and 16th centuries, these massive stone figures, some weighing over 80 tons, were transported across the island without modern tools or technology. Most Moai feature elongated faces and solemn expressions, believed to represent ancestral chiefs who watched over their communities. The statues are positioned on stone platforms called ahu, often facing inland, as if to guard their people. While many mysteries remain about how they were moved and erected, the Moai showcase extraordinary ingenuity and determination. Over time, erosion and human impact toppled some statues, but many still stand tall, restored to their original positions. Today, the Moai are more than monuments. They embody the resilience and creativity of the Rapa Nui culture and stand as one of the world's greatest archaeological wonders. Number 9. Parthenon. Standing proudly on the Acropolis of Athens, the Parthenon is one of the most iconic surviving structures of ancient Greece. Built in the 5th century BC, this temple was dedicated to Athena, the city's patron goddess, and showcases the height of classical Greek architecture. Its design is a masterpiece of symmetry and proportion, with towering Doric columns that seem to defy time. Though partially ruined due to centuries of conflict and natural disasters, much of the original structure remains, giving visitors a glimpse into the brilliance of Greek craftsmanship. The Parthenon's marble construction reflects the grandeur of Athens at its peak, and it continues to inspire architects worldwide. Even in its weathered state, the Parthenon is a testament to the enduring legacy of ancient Greece, standing as both a cultural symbol and a timeless wonder. Number 8. Angkor Wat. Being the world's largest religious monument, it is the crown jewel of Cambodia. Built in the early 12th century by King Suryavarman II, it was originally dedicated to the Hindu god Vishnu before gradually transforming into a Buddhist temple. Spanning over 400 acres, the temple complex is surrounded by a vast moat and high walls symbolizing the cosmic universe. Its 5 iconic towers represent the peaks of Mount Meru, the sacred center of Hindu and Buddhist cosmology. Intricate bas-reliefs cover the walls, depicting epic stories from the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Angkor Wat's design reflects both artistic mastery and advanced engineering, with perfectly aligned corridors and a central sanctuary that captures the sunrise. Despite centuries of change, it remains a place of worship and pilgrimage. Today, it stands not only as a national symbol of Cambodia, but also as one of humanity's greatest architectural and cultural achievements. Number 7. Chichen Itza. Once a major center of the Mayan civilization, it stands as a powerful reminder of ancient ingenuity and culture. Located in the Yucatan Peninsula, it thrived between the 7th and 12th centuries. The most famous structure, the Temple of Kukulkan, is a pyramid with 365 steps, one for each day of the year. During the spring and autumn equinoxes, sunlight creates the illusion of a serpent slithering down the pyramid's staircase, a testament to the Mayans' astronomical knowledge. The site also features the Great Ball Court, where ritual games were played, and the Temple of the Warriors, lined with impressive columns. Chichen Itza reflects a fusion of Mayan and Toltec influences, blending architecture, religion, and science. Designated a World Heritage Site, it is one of the most visited archaeological sites in the Americas, continuing to captivate with its beauty, history, and cultural significance. Number 6. Stonehenge. A prehistoric monument on Salisbury Plain, it is one of the world's most mysterious wonders. Dating back to around 3000 BC, it consists of a circle of massive standing stones, some weighing over 25 tons. Archaeologists believe the stones were transported from as far as Wales, nearly 150 miles away, an incredible feat for Neolithic builders. Stonehenge's exact purpose remains debated. Some theories suggest it was a ceremonial site, an astronomical observatory, or a sacred burial ground. Its alignment with the solstices suggests a deep connection to celestial cycles, hinting at the builders' advanced understanding of astronomy. Over the centuries, it has inspired myths, legends, and countless interpretations. Despite weathering and missing stones, Stonehenge still evokes awe for its scale and mystery. Today, it draws millions who come to stand among its ancient pillars and reflect on the enduring power of human ingenuity and imagination. Number 5. The Colosseum. Over the years, it has dominated the heart of Rome as a monument to ancient Roman engineering and entertainment. Completed in 80 AD under Emperor Titus, it could hold up to 50,000 spectators. Constructed with travertine stone, concrete, and iron clamps, the Colosseum introduced innovative features like a retractable awning system and underground tunnels. It hosted gladiatorial contests, animal hunts, mock sea battles, and public spectacles that reflected the might of Rome. Despite centuries of earthquakes, fires, and stone scavenging, much of the structure still stands, showcasing the durability of Roman construction. Nowadays, visitors walk among its arches and imagine the roar of ancient crowds. More than a stadium, the Colosseum is a cultural symbol of both grandeur and brutality, reflecting Rome's enduring legacy as one of history's greatest empires. It remains the most iconic ancient landmark in Italy and one of the most visited sites worldwide. Number 4. Machu Picchu. Located high in the Andes at nearly 8,000 feet above sea level, Machu Picchu is one of the most breathtaking ancient sites in the world. Built in the 15th century by the Inca Emperor Pachacuti, it remained hidden from the outside world until its rediscovery in 1911 by Hiram Bingham. The site features more than 150 buildings, including temples, terraces, and residences, all constructed without mortar. The Incas' mastery of stone cutting ensured the structures could withstand earthquakes common in the region. Machu Picchu's precise alignment with celestial events, such as the solstices, reflects the Incas' deep astronomical knowledge. Surrounded by misty peaks and lush valleys, it is both a cultural and spiritual treasure, though its exact purpose is still debated, possibly a royal retreat or sacred center. It continues to inspire awe as a symbol of the ingenuity and resilience of the Inca civilization. Number 3. Petra. Known as the Rose-Red City due to its sandstone cliffs, Petra was the capital of the Nabatean kingdom around the 4th century BC. Carved directly into towering rock faces, Petra is famous for its elaborate facades like Al-Kazna, or the Treasury, which greets visitors at the end of the narrow, sick canyon. The Nabateans were masterful engineers, creating advanced water systems that allowed the city to thrive in the desert. Petra served as a hub of trade, linking silk, spice, and incense routes between Arabia, Egypt, and the Mediterranean. Rediscovered by the West in the 19th century, Petra quickly became one of the most iconic archaeological sites in the world. Its unique blend of Hellenistic architecture and Arabian culture makes it a wonder like no other. Today, Petra is a World Heritage Site and a lasting testament to the ingenuity of the ancient world. Number 2. The Great Wall of China. Stretching across northern China for more than 13,000 miles, the Great Wall is one of humanity's most ambitious defensive structures. Begun in the 7th century BC and expanded by successive dynasties, most famously the Ming, it was designed to protect against invasions from nomadic tribes. The wall is not a single structure but a network of walls, watchtowers, and fortresses built over centuries, winding across deserts, mountains, and plains. Constructed from stone, tamped earth, and later brick, it reflects the evolution of Chinese engineering. At its height, hundreds of thousands of soldiers and laborers manned and maintained it. The Great Wall is also a cultural symbol, embodying China's strength, resilience, and determination. While parts of it have crumbled, significant stretches remain well preserved and are visited by millions each year. It is both a feat of ancient engineering and a living testament to China's enduring history. Number 1. The Great Pyramid of Giza. Built around 2560 BC for Pharaoh Khufu, it remains the most iconic of all ancient structures. Standing originally at 481 feet, it was the tallest human-made building for over 3,800 years. Its construction is still debated, with theories ranging from massive ramps to ingenious pulley systems. Comprising more than 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing several tons, the pyramid aligns almost perfectly with the cardinal directions. This engineering marvel is part of a larger necropolis that includes 2 other pyramids and the Sphinx. What makes it truly astonishing is not just its immense scale, but also its precision. Even after thousands of years, the pyramid has withstood natural erosion and looting, reminding us of the Egyptians' advanced knowledge of mathematics and astronomy. Nowadays, the Great Pyramid is the only surviving member of the original 7 wonders of the ancient world. That brings us to the end of our journey, 10 of the most incredible wonders ever created. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more amazing spots.